Warm good evening to one and all. Thank you for this warm congregation and supporting our political parties and our campaign for the upcoming elections. Since we belong to the political sphere and while running our political campaign, we often get to hear unpleasant statements from our people whom we visit, such as you play politics for your own personal benefits. All politicians are the same, I hypocrites, morally perverts, double standard people, etc. Well, these statements are true to a major extent, but it is not always good to judge everyone in a likewise manner and form opinions beforehand. However, we are not even asking you to trust us blindly, but adopt a neutral stance, judge us through our work, and if then you find anything unsatisfactory or not up to the mark, then feel free to label us with such statements as all politicians are alike and play dirty games all the time. Here, we have not kept this congregation to boast about ourselves, but to let you know all the actual meaning of politics and its various connotations. So let's know about those various connotations in detail. In terms of definition, politics refers to those activities connected with the governance of an area or a nation. The activities associated with politics aim to improve one's own status or gaining ascendancy or power over others in an organization. As far as political concept is concerned, I believe that it's an utterly naive thought. Honestly admitting, each one of us is a politician. Whatever we do, we usually adopt a stance which is political in nature and charged with selfish aims, whether anyone likes it or not. Politics spans every sphere of life. How and in what manner you will be educated, whether you will be able to find a job or not, how much money is required to run one's own life, how much money needs to be spent, and how much is to be saved, as well as how much you should surrender in terms of taxes to your state are not innocent questions but political ones. Should your preparation and education in life be the same as that of others, or should you have better opportunities in comparison with others? We do not live in a vacuum or a no man's land. Whatever we do follows certain repercussions, and those repercussions not only affect us, but the society as a whole. In other words, an individual's level of independence as well as collective freedom correspond with each other. Equality vis-a-vis rights, justice, duties are all a significant part of the political realm. Playing politics has become a universal phenomenon and no human activity is untouched by it. Whether we visit any legislative body, administrative staff, educational institution, sports club, politics is all pervasive. But it is not important to know. What is more important to understand is how people are playing the political games and serving their end. If we are a responsible citizen of our country, then we should never encourage it and rather urge the people to adopt a path of righteousness and morality. Thank you.